Hey guys, this is Aaron with Automated Batting Cages, and in this video we're going to troubleshoot a pitching machine motor that will not run. So let's check that out. So the motor on your pitching machine is not running, and you've already tested the main circuit board in your PT-4 light box. The next thing to check is the switched machine relay, and that's this little black box down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our multimeter and we're going to switch it to voltage AC. First thing that we're going to check on this relay is to make sure that it's getting power. What we're going to do is we're going to check from number 1 over to number 3, and we're going to touch our test leads to those positions. And right here we're reading around 121 volts AC, which is perfectly normal. If you are not getting voltage there, you need to trace back your wiring to the circuit board and make sure that you don't have a bad wire or a bad connection or maybe a broken lead or a bad trace. The second thing we're going to check for is to make sure that the relay is switching on when the light box comes on and the yellow light comes on. So what we're going to do is we're going to spoof a game by putting some power to this light box. I have a yellow light on, and when we get a yellow light on, the circuit board should be sending power to this relay. So what we're going to do in this case is we're going to check the number 1 and number 2 positions. So we're going to go ahead and touch our test leads there. And we can see we're getting about that same 121 volts AC, which is perfectly normal. If we are not getting voltage at that position, again, we need to check through the wiring to the circuit board, make sure we don't have a bad wire or bad lead, maybe a broken trace somewhere. The last position that we're going to check on this relay is the output position to the motor. We're going to look at the number 1 and number 4 positions. They're marked out on the relay. And we're going to touch our test leads to those positions. And we should see that same 121 volts AC. If you are not getting voltage to this number 4 position, that means that this relay is bad and it needs to be replaced. And you can give our parts department a call. They'd be happy to help you out. That's it on this video on the switched machine relay. Thank you for watching. We hoped it helped you out, and we'll see you on the next one.